ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಕೇಲಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಸಪ್ತಋಷಿಗಳ ಪಾದವೃಂದದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಈ ದಿನದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಆರಂಭಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. I request all the delegates for better audio experience. Please use headphone and mute yourself on your entry. Queries can be put through chat box with participants' name and affiliation. All the questions will be answered at the end of the virtual program. The host will ask queries on your behalf with your name and affiliation during the Q&A session. If in case the delegates get disconnected due to any reason, he or she can rejoin with the help of the same link provided. All the participants are requested to fill the feedback link which will be sent at the end of today's session to receive your e-certificate. Good afternoon everyone and cordial welcome to one and all present here. I am Dr. Pratibha KS, Head Department of Biotechnology and NSS Program Officer. It's my privilege to host today's virtual webinar on eye care and how we all can take care of our nature, society and mankind. Today, KLE Society's S. Nijlingappa College National Service Scheme Unit organized IQAC initiated virtual webinar as a part of institutional social responsibility. Today in this virtual platform, we have with us Mr. M.K. Krishna Sir, who is Honorable Director at Dr. Rajkumar and Eye Bank Narayana Nethralaya Bengaluru, a trainer and advisor and knowledge management. Respected today's speaker, Principal, IQAC Coordinator, heads of various departments, esteemed colleagues, delegates and students, before proceeding towards today's virtual program, I feel it is my privilege and honor to introduce briefly about our institution KLE Society and S. Nijlingappa College. KLE Society is one of the prestigious and largest educational society, not only in India but also at global level under the dynamic leadership of our Honorable Chairman, Dr. Prabhakar B. Koreji Sir. The society proudly manages with elevated number of institutions up to 270 in various fields of education, including research in India and abroad with the quality concept. Ladies and gentlemen, our KLE Society's S. Nijlingappa College is affiliated to Bengaluru City University and re-accredited by NAC at A+ grade, college with UGC Stride Component 1. Currently, college is offering science, arts, commerce and various management course for the benefit of students community. Yes, Nijlingappa College has been forefront in organizing many virtual programs for the welfare of students and faculty fraternity. KLE Society's S. Nijlingappa College Management Principal and various heads of department welcomes all the delegates who joined here to hear this particular virtual program. Without any further delay, let us begin today's program by invoking the blessings of the Lord Almighty and Universe. O ದೇವರೇ, ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯದೊಡನೆ ಆಶೀರ್ವದಿಸು, ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಧನ ಮತ್ತು ಸೌಹಾರ್ದದೊಡನೆ ಆಶೀರ್ವದಿಸು, ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಶಾಂತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಂತೋಷದೊಡನೆ ಆಶೀರ್ವದಿಸು, ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಸಕಾರಾತ್ಮಕ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಮತ್ತು ನಿನ್ನ ಭಕ್ತಿಯೊಡನೆ ಆಶೀರ್ವದಿಸು. ಓ ದೇವರೇ, ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ತಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಮಬದ್ಧವಾದ ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮ ಮಾಡುವಂತೆ, ಪೌಷ್ಟಿಕ ಆಹಾರ ಸೇವಿಸುವಂತೆ, ಸುಂದರವಾದ ಜೀವನ ಶೈಲಿಯನ್ನು ನಡೆಸುವಂತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸದಾ ತಾಜಾ ಗಾಳಿಯನ್ನು ಸೇವಿಸುವಂತೆ ಆಶೀರ್ವದಿಸು. ಓಂ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my honor and to welcome you all to this virtual program. I would like to welcome Mr. Krishna Sir, M.K. Krishna Sir, on behalf of KLE Society's S. Nijlingappa College Management, heads of various departments, esteemed colleagues, and also on my behalf, through NSS volunteers. Thank you, sir, for gracing this occasion.
Thank you, Manu. Namaskara.
I now welcome respected Principal Dr. Arun Kumar B. Sonapanavar, who is the driving force behind all our S. Nijlingappa College various virtual programs. We welcome you, sir. I also welcome IQAC Coordinator, heads of various departments, esteemed colleagues, delegates, NSS volunteers, and students to this virtual program. I'm glad to introduce today's invited guest speaker, Shri M.K. Krishna, who is renowned speaker, enabler, facilitator, MCSR at NSS and also at YRC. On behalf of Kaylee Society Management Principal, Kaylee's S. Nijlingappa College, and also on my personal behalf, once again I extend my warm welcome to Shri M.K. Krishna sir. Shri M.K. Krishna sir has educational credentials like BSc, PGDE, AIETE, MIEEE from UK and AIIE qualifications. Shri M.K. Krishna sir is an advisor, trainer and consultant for knowledge management, SBI FM at Private Limited. Shri M.K. Krishna sir, he is honorary director for Dr. Rajkumar Eye Bank, Narayana Netralaya, Bengaluru. Sir is a NISM empaneled trainer for CPE, MFD and MF modules. Sir has received many recognitions, to name few, as ex-chairperson, South Zone Eye Bank Association of India, Vice Patron, Indian Red Cross ex-convener, Eye Donation and Opticals KSB, then campaigner, BESCOM, ex-GC member, Quality Circle Forum of India, Bengaluru, ex-chief manager and head SBG Marketing SBIFMF, Karnataka, founder president James Group of Garden City, Bengaluru, founder captain and coach for SBI basketball team, Karnataka. He is also a founder mentor, Eye Donation Society, Civil Society Trust, Oxygen Bank. Further, he is also a guest faculty and resource person at various sectors. Finally, he is also program executive personality at Purvi Sangeeta Academy and also Gnana Sauda Academy. With this brief credentials of Shri M.K. Krishna sir, I, Dr. Pratibha K.S., present before you today's speaker Shri M.K. Krishna sir. Now, this virtual platform is yours, sir. Over to you, sir.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಮೊಟ್ಟಮೊದಲು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅರುಣ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಸರ್, ಪ್ರತಿಭಾ ಮೇಡಮ್, and all those who are attending today's program, NSS. I know studying in the college, people will have the option. Am I audible, madam?
Sir, you're audible. I'm not able to see your video from the beginning, sir.
Okay.
Please check, sir. Yeah, now it's visible.
Yeah, now,
Thank you, sir.
okay. Now, especially when during your college days, one of the things will be compulsory, maybe like sports. So either of them will be, it's a matter of, I don't use the word compulsion, it is an option given to so many people. Is it once again not visible?
Yes, sir, it's not visible.
I think it's getting connected.
Okay, it's connected, sir. Now it's gone.
Sorry? Connect
Okay.
agide alla?
Yes.
So one of them will be either, I'll say, choice or an option given to all of you. I'm very happy those who have chosen or taken option of National Social Service ಅಂತ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಅವತ್ತು ಕನ್ನಡವೇ ಸತ್ಯ, ಕನ್ನಡವೇ ನಿತ್ಯ ಅಂತಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಮೆಜಾರಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್, so that it is easy and it's understandable to everybody. So always whenever we talk, we say nation first, institution next, individual last ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. It is not LOST, it has to be LAST ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. So nation as a first ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, in the last 1.5 years, the whole world has been facing some problem. In fact, on 15th of March 2020, when I met with few of the friends, that was just 1 or 2 days of the announcement of this corona, etc. In fact, I just told them, I have gone to several countries. According to me, First World War was not a world war. Even Second World War is not a world war. In fact, this is the one what we are going to witness. I told on 15th of March 2020, this is the one which is going to be a world war without weapons, without army, without armament. This is what I told. I don't know how my prediction was, but it has come to be really true, because this has reached around 202 nations. Wherever not the seaport, wherever the airport is available, wherever the airport is there in the entire world, it has reached all nook and corner of the universe. That's all I want to tell you. So it means to say, this is a ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಬಯೋಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಬಯೋಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ತರ, this may be like a bio war or biomedical war. God only knows about it. Anyway, let's not go too much deep into it. Let me start giving. In fact, when Madam asked me on the day, Pratibha Madam, what is the topic? She was telling first one was eye care. Then I said, eye care should be only part of the talk of today. That why not we connect nature, society, and mankind? If society survives, if society exists, we can exist. It is not the other way around. I exist, society can exist. No. At the same time, the very purpose why I attached that word nature also is, ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, trees are plenty, but oxygen was empty in the last 1.5 months. I am telling you. Whether nature is responsible or are we responsible? So that is why I deliberately requested the madam to include the word nature also. And I told you about the society. The third one about the mankind also. So today's topic will be macro level of little on eye care, little on nature, little on society, little on mankind, all the things. In fact, our program is from 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock. We have started at 3:10. Any class or lecture or a talk should not be more than 40 minutes. ಅದಕ್ಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 40 ನಿಮಿಷ 45 ನಿಮಿಷ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it goes beyond the hat. It won't go inside the hard disk. So I will contain my talk also to 40 minutes only. In that 40 minutes, I will be covering 10 minutes on eye care, 10 minutes related to nature, 10 minutes on society, 10 minutes on mankind. In the last, I don't use the word open hour or FAQ and other thing. I will say PQRST ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. This abbreviation is purely question relevant to speaker's topic. ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Purely question relevant to speaker's topic. And some of them who are hesitant to ask, you can put it in the chat box so that madam will ask me, I will answer everything. Otherwise also, no question remains unanswered. So the whatever knowledge best I know or what we know, or even if we do not know, I will ensure that I will go through and get back to you also. So yavanu sarvagna alla. It is a wrong thing. There is no word called as a specialist or a expert in any field. Even after 1 year and 6 months, although it started in November 2019, still they are not able to find out how this corona has erupted, what is the cause, where from it comes. So far, nobody knows about it. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ಸರ್ವಜ್ಞಾನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿಸ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲ. So now it is 3:20. Let me start. I can tell you. First, I will start with the eye care ಅಂತಾನೆ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದೆ. ನಾನು ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಐ ಅಂತಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ವರ್ಡ್ EYE ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಐ ಕೇರ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್. ದ ರೀಸನ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಂದ್ರಿಯಾಣಂ ನಯನಂ ಪ್ರಧಾನಂ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ನನಗೆ ಧಾರವಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ ಹೇಳೋದು, ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇಂದ್ರಿಯಾಣ ನಯನಂ ಪ್ರಧಾನಂ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಯನ ಪ್ರಥಮಂ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು. ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಬಾಡಿ, ವೆದರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ 100 kgs 200 kgs ಆರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಎಂ ಪೈಲ್ವಾನ್, WWF, ಕಣ್ಣು ಒಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜಗತ್ತೇ ಏನು ಕಾಣಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಐ ಕೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ I care, let everybody care that one, especially the students community, for all you are now. So regarding that, I want to start. Don't think that I am an ophthalmologist. Point number one. Don't think this is any optometry class or something. Regarding general eye care, so that we can continue to have sight as well as vision ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಯಾವನೋ ಒಬ್ಬ ಪಾಪ ಕಣ್ಣೇನೋ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದಾಗ, ನರೇಂದ್ರ ನಾನು ಕಣ್ಣು ಇಂಜೂರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ, ಕಣ್ಣು ಏಟಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ಐ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈ ಸೈಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ, ವಾಟ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದ, even if you lose your sight, don't lose your vision ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. So I am telling you, all of you are representing KLE College. Before starting my talk, I am very happy to say I served KLE College, Rajajinagar, for about 1.5 years, way back in 2015-16, in the Institute of Business Management Studies, where Rajiv was there, was the HOD. Dr. Sangeeta Madam was also there. I was teaching related to banking, finance, and marketing also for 1.5 years, for which I am really thankful to you. Recently, when I went to MS Ramaya Institute of Technology, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ MBA ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟು, ಸರ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್ ಯು ಸಮ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. So one of the KLE student who did this BBA, he was there doing MBA. I was touched. I am telling you, I am seeing you back as a teacher ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. So hats off to KLE College and my institution for having given me opportunity to serve the institute in a small way. Now let us start eye care, etc. Sir, ಒಂದು I'll start with the foundation or fundamentals. Now there is no book reading, or there is no paper reading, or there is no anything of newspaper reading. Everything is through gadget. Everything is through the laptop. Everything is through the desktop. Everything is through the Android and other things. So a lot of people have got a sort of a myth, but they don't know the truth. ತುಂಬಾ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಿದೆ, ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಮುಂದೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಕಣ್ಣು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡತ್ತೆ, ಯು ಲೂಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಐ ಸೈಟ್, ಯು ಲೂಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ವಿಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಂಗೆ way back in 1980-81 in the, not in India, computer era started almost in America and other places, even in UK also. So far, nobody has lost their vision or eyesight because of using either a desktop computer or a laptop computer or any whatever you call the latest method, etc., including Android and other thing. Remove that myth and come to the truth. First, that part. Second one, ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ, because it is not 6 hours or 8 hours and other thing. They may sit for long hours. Every India ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, I am working for Holland, I am working for Poland, I am working for England, ಅಂದ್ರೆ nobody is working for our motherland. I am telling you, when you work for longer hours, there are every chances the ray of light, whatever that emerges in the, so it may strain your eyes or something like that. The first eye care is, some of them they use sort of a blue screen and other thing for your laptop, or it may be for your desktop and other thing. The only way you can use it, on screen ಅದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ regarding that one. And from last year, I am sure there is no physical class at all now. Even from April 2020 for information. In fact, now I am addressing webinar. The very first webinar I learned only from my granddaughter for your information. ಅವತ್ತು ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಆಂಡ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಜೊತೆ ಇತ್ತು. ದ ಮೊಮೆಂಟ್ ದ ಪವರ್ ವೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್, ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎ 9-year child who taught me how to switch over to Android, how to operate that one, etc. So I am telling you, learning is a never-ending process. Learning is a never-ending process. Now it is not that we have to learn from seniors, we have to learn from not only the juniors, even a adolescent child also, because technology, they are more conversant, we have to learn from them. So regarding usage of laptop or desktop computer or any other thing including Android, ಕಣ್ಣು ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಸುಳ್ಳು, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. So far there has not been any proven result saying that somebody has lost eye or eyesight or vision, etc. through that one. That is regarding that one. Next, I will come one by one. ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಐ ಚೆಕ್ಅಪ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅದು ಇದು ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೌ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಅಲರ್ಟ್. ಸೊ as far as possible, for any eye screening or any eye checkup or any of the eye health regarding other thing, nowadays virtual telemedicine is available. I am telling you, virtual telemedicine is available. So many doctors, they will talk to you on video and other thing. Avoid going to the I mean, direct doctor, whether it's ophthalmologist or any surgeon and other thing, for instead of going to eye clinic, the virtual telemedicine facilities are available. In-person appointment badlu, I suggest you go for virtual telemedicine or eye care and other thing. This is the first point of the eye care I'm telling you. Next, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಾಷನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ಬ ನಮ್ಮ ಹರಿಶಂಕರ್ ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ತಮ್ಮ, ಹಾರ್ಡ್ಲಿ 60-61 year old. Don't think that I am using the word or politics or anybody. He had a hatred for Narendra Modi and Tebutu. Although the vaccination was available for senior citizens and other things, 61, no, our hatred gosra, he stopped going for the vaccination. He was 20 days back, he was admitted into some Pina hospital. He got into terrible problem, like 50% advanced stage of corona and other thing. Later on, he was put to hospital. Then ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು 61 years ಅಂದ್ರೆ, have you taken vaccination ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನಾ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ. Not taking the vaccination became a reason for him. He was into ICU, he was into ventilator. Just ನಾಳೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ವೈಕುಂಠ ಸಮಾರಾಧನೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾವ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಆಗಲಿ, ಯಾವ ಪಾಲಿಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಅದು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಟ್ರೆಡ್ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. ವೈ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್, India struggled for almost 1987 in the 2016 tanka. For about 30 years they struggled. You know very well, Lions Club, Rotary Club, JCs and so many colleges and all, they joined together every year in the month of January and February. This polio vaccination, polio drops campaign and tamadadu. I think all of you are aware. Now after struggling for 25 long years, just that is World Health Organization declared our country is polio free state and able to just 3 years we got a certificate. So kindly keep in mind, let us not ignore any vaccine, because since all of you majority from the biotechnology department and all, with great difficulty our doctors, scientists and the medical fraternity people, they have done research, then only they would have come for this vaccine and other thing. Whether it is Covishield or Covaxin or whatever the case, maybe even one more is coming yesterday, arrived for this from Russia also, Sputnik and other thing. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು 18 plus, even 45 plus ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು vaccination is the key to ending the pandemic, whatever you call that. So ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಕ್ಯೂ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಐ ಗೇವ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಹರಿಶಂಕರ್, ಆ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಅಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎನಿ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಆರ್ ಎ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಫೈಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೊರೋನಾ ಕೇಸ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಐ ಕೇರ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, now I am sitting in front of you, but I am not using any whatever you call that mask and other thing. So kindly keep in mind, mask. Oh, there was a time when even without a pad people used to play cricket. Now without a helmet they cannot play cricket. Now I am telling you, now mask has become a must and should for anybody. So whether you are having vaccination or no vaccination, please continue to use your mask for ever. So idu ಕೆಲವು ಸಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, whether it travels by the line of sight or goes like radio wave ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So all along people are only talking to close or just cover your nose as well as mouth ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋರು. Either it can be sneezing or it can be through your splinters, cough, etc. Please keep in mind, even eyes also, I am telling you, it's also another dangerous part. So ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಕೂಡ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಆಗಲಿ ಫೇಸ್ ಟು ಫೇಸ್ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಯಾರಿಗಾರು ಮಾತಾಡುವಾಗ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಸೈಡ್ ತಿರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅಡ್ಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದೇರ್ ಬೈ ನಿಮ್ದೇ ಎಂಜಿಲ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ದೇ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಗೋದಿರ್ಲಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ನೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇಸ್ ಗೋ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್. ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಅದರ್ ಸೈಡ್ is less. Physical contact plus face to face kindly avoid. Always wherever possible, if you have got a simple plain glass, I am telling you, so use that as a protection, I am telling you. So ಒಂದು ಕಣ್ಣಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಬ್ರೈಟ್. ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಂಟರ್, ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಲ್, ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೈರಸ್, whatever the case may be, protect your eyes also. ನಾನು ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ ರೈಲ್ವೆ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗುಂಪಾಗಿ ಕೆಲವರೆಲ್ಲ ವಯಸ್ಸಾದವರು ಗುಡ್ಡೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಕಟ್ಟೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಡೂ ಇಸ್ ದೇ ರಿಮೂವ್ ದ ಮಾಸ್ಕ್, ದೇ ಕೀಪ್ ಶೌಟಿಂಗ್, ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಜರ್ದಾ ಪಾನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅದರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಕಾಫು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೆಮ್ಮಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಹಂಗೆ ಕೂತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಒಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ, keep in mind the whole surrounding, all the people who are there, the chances of getting affected will be there. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಚಾರ. ಆಚಾರ is nothing but the discipline what we have been taught. One is hygiene, distancing one factor. ಎರಡನೇದು ಮಾಸ್ಕ್. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಯು, ವೇರ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. 3 ನವದ್ವಾರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಮನುಷ್ಯನಿಗೆ. ನವದ್ವಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನು ಕಿವಿಯಿಂದ ಹೋಗಿದ್ಯಾ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇನ್ನು ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ. ಕಣ್ಣು, ಮೂಗು, ಬಾಯಿ, ಒಂದು ಐ ಕೇರ್ಗೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯೂಶಲಿ ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್, ಮೇ, ಜೂನ್, ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಮಂತ್ಸ್. ಈ ಮಾವಿನ ಹಣ್ಣು ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಸೀಸನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಜಕ್ಟಿವೈಟಿಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯಾರೋ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಡ್ರಾಸ್ ಐ ಅಂತೆ. ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೂ ಮಡ್ರಾಸ್ಗೂ ಐಗೂ ಏನು ಸಂಬಂಧ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಾರಿ, never neglect or ignore even any reddishness whenever you get itching and etc. Here particularly in this particular corona period, whenever you get any itching sensation or when you have got a rub or something like that, instead of directly using your finger or hand, first use one tissue paper or something like that, so that further spreading of infection and other things can be avoided. I'm telling you. And especially student community, ನಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, ಅಂದ ಚಂದ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್. ಐ ನೋ ವೆರಿ ವೆಲ್, ನೋ ಬಡೀಸ್ ಐ ಆರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಕಾಲ್ as a vision is 100% perfect, that 20/20. Each one will have some refractive error ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Some people ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾನು 18, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎ ಟೀನೇಜ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ, ವೈ ಶುಡ್ ಐ ಸ್ಪಾಯಿಲ್ ಮೈ ಲುಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, instead of using spectacles, they may use your contact lens and other things. So during this corona period, for some more time, I am suggesting all of you to take care of your eye care. Better to use spectacles rather than contact lenses. Because every time when you remove the contact lens and other thing, ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಟೇಬಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮುಟ್ಟಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಮುಟ್ಟಿರ್ಬೋದು, there are every chances of that contagious or infectious things can come through that contact lens. It is suggested to avoid contact lens for some more time. Use spectacles only, safer. That is for the eye care, I am telling you. And ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, slowly I had to come to the habits part of it. I am telling you, what is the habits part of it ಅಂದ್ರೆ, I know, say by the age of 14 or 15, I know KLE college students are always good students. They are only into hobbies, not into habits and other things. Anything in moderation is always good anthony. No, don't think that I am advising any habits. But ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನ ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೆ ಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಮೋಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸ್ಮೋಕಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಅಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಐಸೈಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅದರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಐ ಕೇರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗಿವ್ ಅಪ್ ಆರ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್, is always fine. And even the passive smoking also is going to affect somebody else also. ಆ ಸ್ಮೋಕ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಸ್ಮೋಕ್ ಜೊತೆ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಂಟರ್ಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋ ತನಕ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಾಗತ್ತೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಒಬ್ಬರೆದುರಿಗೆ ಸ್ಮೋಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗ್ಲಿ, ಆರ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಆರ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗಿವ್ ಅಪ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎರಡು ಕೈಯಲ್ಲೂ ಮುಗಿದುಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಮೋಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಐ ಮೀನ್, ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಸೇ, but lot of people with smoking, it has been affected regarding the eye care and eye health. It has been proved. You go to Kidwai Memorial, you can see a lot of people being affected with that eyesight problem, etc. I can tell you. Then now ಹೊಸದು ಶುರು ಆಗಿದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ. ಅದೇನೋ ಇದು ಒಂದರಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಸಿಂಪ್ಟಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್. ಈ ಸಿಂಪ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ವಿ, ಈ ಕರೋನಾ ಬಂದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಸಿಂಪ್ಟಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಬರಂದ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವರ್ಡು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ವಿ, ಇವಾಗ ಸೂಡೋ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಏನೇನೋ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವಿಯರ್. So respect all, respect all. This is what I want to tell you. Do not assume or something like that. Don't take it for granted, etc. And for some more time, I'm telling you, I know your own uncle may be there, your own close relative may be there. Somebody died ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ರಿಮೇಷನ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫೈನಲ್ ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ. When they are not allowing to touch the body itself, where is the necessity for everybody to go to cremation and other thing? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ, ಅದು ಇದು ಮುಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಣ್ಣೆಲ್ಲ ಒರೆಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ, ಕಣ್ಣು ಹೋಗ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮುಟ್ತೀರಾ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು 1 or 2 people enough. Please avoid going to all such situations and other thing. Thereby you protect your health. Your health is your wealth also, I am telling you. So ಆದ್ರಿಂದ is better to asymptomatic ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದು ಯಾವುದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. So best is respect all, suspect all. At the same time, nowadays some of them are after corona affect ಆದ್ಮೇಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ರೆಡ್ಡಿಶ್ನೆಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಕೀಪ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈಂಡ್. ರೆಡ್ಡಿಶ್ನೆಸ್ ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೇನು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕಣ್ಣು ಉಜ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ, 2-3 days ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. Within a week's time, I am telling you, I have seen in Narayana Netralia, it has affected the optic nerve also. I am telling you, they have lost their eyesight, for your information. So in any case, because since you are all in the students community, you are nothing but a good educator for the people. So that is why I am telling you, if anybody were affected with positive and subsequently when they find any reddishness of the eyes and other thing, or any symptoms of the rubbing, etc., all those things, kindly see that, let them go to a hospital immediately, let them get their eye care checked, let them not delay, etc., because a few people have lost their sight because of the post-COVID, etc. So limited close visual contact is key to helping, I am telling you one thing. So ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾನೇ ಬಂದು ಕೂಡ ಹಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಗುರು ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. No, I know very well. You can have your intimacy and friendship heart of hearts. You can avoid all those physical contacts and other things. Now it has been spreading very, very widely. So these are all the clues of do's ಅಂತ ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. I don't want to use the word don'ts ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. At the same time, ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಸಲ ಟವಲ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಖರ್ಚೀಫ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾವುದೇ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, all these things do not share during this period, I am telling you. It can be towel or it can be kerchief, it can be hanky or anything. Please do not share. Even at the same time, ಬೈಟು ಕಾಫಿ ಕುಡಿಯೋ ಒಂದೇ ಕಪ್ಪಲ್ 4 ಜನ ಕುಡಿಯೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Please avoid that one also. At the same time, what utensils used by others, please avoid that. Because ಕಣ್ಣು, ಮೂಗು, ಈ ಬಾಯಿ, wherever this secretion, all these things happening, these are all the vulnerable places. That's why ensure to take care of this one ಅಂತ ನಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Am I audible, madam? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir.
Okay, now
Thank you.
I will touch upon little on food habits and other things. ತಪ್ಪು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಡಿ. I mean, ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಯಂಗ್ಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಸೇರ್ಬೋದು. I think we are all used to the junk food like pani puri, golpuri and so many things, etc. See, eye ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ vitamin A is the most important. So certain vegetables, even in the military people, even in the nights and war ಎಲ್ಲ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, they give carrot and other thing. Carrot has got a lot of eyesight improvement and other thing, because a lot of vegetables your parents are able to give when they are giving. Please have that. Carrot is one of them. Spinach as well as the greens, I am telling you, these are all the best thing. At the same time, exam time minimum everybody needs some 6 to 7 hours. I mean, they say 8 hours sleep, 6 to 7 hours is also ideal. So rest is also sufficiently needed for the eyes, I am telling you. First is rest, at the same time sleep. So ಇದು ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ನಾಪ್ಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾವತ್ತು ವೆನೆವರ್ ಟಾಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಐಸೈಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 20-20 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. 20-20 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 6 meters ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, if you are able to just count these 2 fingers at 6 meters distance, 6 meters andre 20 feet. At 6 meters distance, if you are able to count these 2 fingers, it is understood you are able to having a normal vision. You are not a legally blind person and other thing. That's why they gave you one chart to read the big letters, small letters, etc., etc. Now, as per the World Health Organization definition, kindly listen now. As per the World Health Organization definition, If somebody is not in a position to identify their fingers at 3 meters distance, 3 meters andre 10 adi, at 10 feet distance, if we are not able to make out that these two fingers separately, it means he is called as legally blind ante. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಇವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತಿರುವಾಗ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಣಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಓದಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈವನ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕಮ್ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಎನಿಬಡಿ, ಮೇ ಬಿ ಯುವರ್ ಜೂನಿಯರ್, ಮೇ ಬಿ ಯುವರ್ ಓನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಮೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್, do not allow it to ignored, etc. Go for eye checkup and other thing. Like physical health checkup, eye checkup, at least alternate years is a must, which I want to tell you. I'm telling you. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಇದೆ. ನಾವು ಶುರು ಆದಾಗ ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 2020 ಇಂದ ವರ್ಕ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಶುರು ಆಯ್ತು. ವರ್ಕ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎನಿವೇರ್ ಶುರು ಆಯ್ತು. ನಾವು ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎನಿವೇರ್ ಅಂತಾನು ಆಗೋಯ್ತು ಇವಾಗ. ಸೊ ನೌ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಿಟ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಐಟಿ ಬಿಟಿ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್, ಈವನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಯು, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ನನಗೆ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ, ಇಫ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೈಟ್. Third standard onward itself, everybody is into virtual mode, no blackboard, no PPT and other thing. They are into virtual system only. You may have to spend some hours together every day, at least 4 to 5 hours irutte. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2020 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ವಿಷನ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿದೆ 20-20-20. ಯು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್. ಎವ್ರಿ 20 minutes at a feet of 20 feet, every 20 minutes at a distance of 20 feet, you keep watching one object for 20 seconds ante ashte. In the sense, don't get narrowed down to only one particular inde olle kurudu olle tubular vision tara agbardo. Even if you are working, just move your head like that, see, watch at a distance some object for 20 seconds at a 20 feet distance. That is the best exercise for your eyes, because ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ಗನ್ಗೆ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಬೋನ್ ಗಿನ್ ತರ ಇದು ಅಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಇಸ್ ಫುಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಸಲ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ, ಅಂಡ್ ಮಸಲ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಶುಡ್ ನೀಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಯು. ಸೊ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಓವರ್ ಆಲ್ ವಿಚ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಯು, ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ವೇರಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ, ಅಂಡ್ ವೆನ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಗಾಗಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅದರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್ ಹೋದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಅವರು ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಈ 2 ಬ್ಯಾರಳು ಹಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪಿಚ್ಕಿ ಅಂತ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಜರದಾ ಪಾನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಉಗಿತಾರೆ ರೋಡಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ, ಅಥವಾ ಈವನ್ ಬಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಸ್ಪಿಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಟ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕಾಷನ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಯು, ಕನ್ನಡಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದೆ ಅಂತ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇಜಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. ವೆನ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಬೈ ಎನಿ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಆರ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎನಿ ವೆಂಡರ್, ಈ ಪುಷ್ ವೆಂಡರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದೆ ಗಾಡಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾರ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಅವತ್ತು ನೋಡಿದೆ, ಯಾವನೊಬ್ಬ 11th ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಅವನು ಏನೋ ವೆರಿ ವೆಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಪುಷ್ ವೆಂಡರ್, he is like a caravan. He went to some conservancy, he went for a P&K, ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಬಂದ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೀಡಿ ಬೇರೆ ಕಿತ್ಕೊಂಡ, ಅದನ್ನೇ ಇದನ್ನ ಹಣ್ಣುಗಳನ್ನ ಮುಟ್ಟದ, ಅದನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟ, ಇವರು ತಗೊಂಡೋದ್ರು. ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಹೈಜೀನ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್. ವೆನ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್, till such time this corona is eradicated, fully eradicate ಆಗಲ್ಲ, till such time whenever you bring something, wash all those things and use it. So this is as a precaution. At the same time, they say wash hands regularly in helidare. That is one of the caution which I want to tell you. Don't rub your eyes directly, use some tissue paper and other thing. So regarding nutrition helidini, regarding healthcare and helidini, now I'll come to slowly, because I have to cover other topics also. Society and helidini, nature and helidini. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ, ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್, like-minded people, just like how I know Pratibha in the last 3-4 years, we had friends of some 30-40 years. Way back in the year 2002, we started one called as Giants Oxygen Bank ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಲೈಕ್ ಹೌ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಜೈಂಟ್ಸ್ ಒಬ್ಬ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ ಸಿಟಿ, ಒಂದು 25 ಜನ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು $500 $1000 ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಆಫ್ IT, BT and aeronautics and silicon capital. Bangalore is capital of asthma and bronchitis also. Because ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು, BT ಹುಡುಗರಲ್ಲ, lot of pollution and pollen contents next to London in the entire world. Bangalore has got the maximum pollution and the pollen content. That's why the asthma and bronchitis, andre, that is the one which will attack the respiratory system and other thing. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಗೂರ್ಲು ಬರೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. whenever somebody get that asthma and bronchitis problem, more of morbidity than mortality. Morbidity means suffering. Like you and I, how we can manage our normal day-to-day routine, even without fan, even without any AC, we can manage. They cannot manage. They find that uneasiness of the breathing and everything. That is why we started one oxygen bank. Oxygen in bank is that is for the medical oxygen, etc. So whenever the asthma bronchitis people, they get that hiccup as well as the wheezing, they suffer a lot. So we started oxygen bank. Now in the last 1 month, it is not only Bangalore or India, everywhere they are talking about oxygen, oxygen. Now I am deliberately coming to that nature and healthy. We were responsible for the both Amazon forest as well as our Australian forest also. We destroyed, we spoiled, we killed so many living beings and other things. It was Amazon as well as, I'm telling you, Australian forest, which was providing almost 30% of the oxygen to the entire world. We destroyed. So we are responsible for the nature's destruction. So ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಜ್ಞಾಪ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, a small nation, I don't want to use the word country or even nation also. The size of that nation, which is our neighbor, which is less than the size of our Bangalore, that is Singapore, I am telling you, they have sent through airlifting through Indian Air Force and all, 10 to 15 all oxygen cylinder containers anna ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. I am telling you. So kindly keep in mind, India with 130 crores population, and India is not 100 times, 1000 times. You can't compare the size when compared to the Singapore size. We were importing oxygen from Singapore, I am telling you. ಸಿಂಗಪೂರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕೊತ್ತಂಬರಿ ಬೆಳೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಹುಲ್ಲು ಬೆಳೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಬೆಳೆಯಲ್ಲ. Because of the petroleum industries and other thing, because of the byproduct and other thing, we got that oxygen that was sent to Delhi and other places. So coming to the nature, ನಾವು ಏನೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ, let us spoil the nature. That is the first message. Why I am telling that nature ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, I told about Amazon, I told deliberately about the Australian forest also. 4 years back, I am telling you, way back in the year 2016 on June 5th. Today is 2nd June. For 3 days ahead, June 5th. June 5th is called as the World Environment Day, Vishwa Parisara Divasa ante bittu. Incidentally, it is my birthday also, 5th June. On my birthday, I thought, why should I cut the cake or why should I blow off the lamp and other things? ನಾವೊಂದು ನಿಮ್ಮಂತ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು 50 ಜನ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡು each one plant one ಅಂತ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ is to meet the home care patients of asthma bronchitis. Now the same oxygen bank is serving many of the corona COVID patients post discharge from the hospital, because ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಬ್ರೀದಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಕರೋನಾ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಲಂಗ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದು, lungs infect agate. I am telling you, thereby they will not be like a normal person. They have to be supported from external sources. We provide them, that is medical oxygen. I am telling you, industrial oxygen is different, medical oxygen. So I request Pratibha madam to provide my contact number through this chat or etc. You can give my contact number. If anybody needs in emergency medical oxygen cylinders as well as concentrators, I am telling you, provided it is available with us. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನ ತಗೊಂಡವರು ಒಂದು ವಾರ 10 ದಿವಸ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. So indirectly, what I cannot create a nature in the form of oxygen cylinders as well as oxygen concentrator, we have started, so that nature create ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. At least through this we are able to save some hundreds of lives in the matter of 1.5-2 months, I am telling you. So kindly keep in mind, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಸಿರು ಮೆಷಿನ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. So right from June, you know very well, monsoon starts from 1st or 2nd of June every year in Bangalore and the entire south. From June till October, we do the tree planting activity. Tree planting andre each one plant one anta. Each one plant one tree anta. In the sense, it can be your father's birthday, it can be your mother's birthday, or it can be your parents' wedding anniversary, or it may be your teacher's birthday. Instead of doing all other ಪಾಂಪ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಶೋ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಒನ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳೋದು ಹಸಿರೇ ಉಸಿರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು. ಹಸಿರೇ ಉಸಿರು. ಇವತ್ತು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ಆ ಹಸಿರೇ ಉಸಿರು, ಉಸಿರೇ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇವಾಗ 1.5 ತಿಂಗಳಿಂದ ಹೇಳೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಕಡೆ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಮೆಟ್ರೋ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ರೋಡ್ ಹೈವೇಸ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ವೆನ್ ಎವರ್ ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಸಮ್ಥಿಂಗ್, ಡೆಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ನೆವಿಟಬಲ್. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಡೆಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಮೆಟ್ರೋ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಇವಾಗ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಮೈಸೂರು ಒಡೆನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಟ್ರೀಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಕಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ವಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಹೈವೇ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ದ ಡೆಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಡೂ ದಟ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್. ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಮರ ಕಡಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 5 ಮರ ಹೊಸದು ನಾನು ನೆಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಐ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಿವೆಂಟ್ ದ ಕಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟ್ರೀ, we cannot unnecessarily stop the development, growth activities, etc. But let me ensure to at least grow 5 or 6 new plants. First plant it, grow for some time, then cut the tree and tell it. That is why how we can support the nature. And I request all the people who are attending here, you can join our campaigning. We maintain social distancing. We maintain all the protocol and other things. From June to October, we will be in the tree planting activity. Namma Hasiru Mission anta ide. I will be sharing the link to Pratibha madam. And we don't do on weekdays. Every Saturday, Sunday only on Saturday, Sundays. And our organization has been given a blanket permission by BBMP. Wherever you find a open space, open land, it can be a public park, it can be a college campus, it can be any bungalow surrounding with the open land, etc. We have been permitted to planting activities, etc. Namge forest department, they are providing us a very concession rate tree saplings also. There are so many companies and all, they are sponsoring our tree saplings also. We don't do any flower related or fruit related, all related to one tree which provides lot of oxygen. Kindly keep in mind. Hasiru Mission anta helidini. Planting activity, each one plant one. From June to October it goes. I will be sharing my contact details to Pratibha madam. Whenever activity is there, all of you can volunteer to come and join the hand. Please maintain that protocol of social distancing, masking and other things. So we will take care of your whatever hospitality and all, whoever come. In fact, Bangalore University ಒಂದು ವನ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, some organic tree, forest anta. For that, all our Hasiru Mission joined and developed about 1 year back. In the last 4 years, we have planted more than 10,000 trees in the last 4 years, I am telling you. For a size of Bangalore, any number of trees are not sufficient. So I want you to cultivate this one. CSR andre heltare, corporate social responsibility. Keep it aside. You make it as a cultivated social responsibility. And also ISR, that is your individual social responsibility. I told you about the I, now I told you a little about the nature. Now I'll come to the mankind and humanity, because I have to cover everything in another 10 minutes. So now, mankind and humanity in the Akadbodu. There is a great saying, one of my professors from Tata, IIT, Powai obru helidu. ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಟು ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಈಸ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ಮೈಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು. ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟೇ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು, ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋದು, ನಮ್ಮ ಕಣ್ಣೆದುರಿಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಜೀವ ಬದುಕುದು, ನಮ್ಮ ಎದುರಿಗೆ ಅವನು ಹೀಸ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಈಸಿ, ಈಸ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್, ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸರ್ವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಗಾಡ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳೋದು ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಟು ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಈಸ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ಮೈಟಿ. ನೌ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಶೂರ್ all those who are in the age group, kindly next 5 minutes, very, very serious and be attentive. It is in the entire Bangalore, per day, normal requirement of hospitals only for surgery is 1,000 units of blood. I will repeat, in Bangalore, only to meet the surgeries. ಏನು ಸರ್ಜರಿಗಳಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ bypass surgery ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಓಪನ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ಜರಿ, ದಟ್ ನೀಡ್ಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ 4 to 5 units ಆಫ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕಿಡ್ನಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲಿವರ್ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಲಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಗರ್ಭಕೋಶ ತೆಗಿತಾರೆ ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಕೆಲವರು ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಸಲ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಆಗೋ ಕನ್ಫೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಸಲ ಹೆವಿ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಇನ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಅಕೇಶನ್ whole blood is required. That is whole blood ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಬಾಟಲ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಹೋಲ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. On an average, Bangalore needs 1,000 units of blood. Now, because of Corona, because of close down of colleges physically, etc., now restricted movements of the students and the aged, able-bodied people, etc., even the blood banks are going dry. This is for your information. ಹೆಂಗೆ ATM ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಸಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಸಿಗಲ್ವೋ, ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ಜರಿನೂ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. So what I am telling is, now they have finished the first round of vaccination for, first in is healthcare professional. Now the second one, they finished the first round of for the senior citizen. Now they have started for 45 plus and 18 plus. Here, listen carefully. It is the Bangalore University students. I am repeating. It is the Bangalore University students, whether it's 350 or 360 colleges, all students put together, they are taking care of the need and the requirement of 50 to 60% of the blood requirement of the entire Bangalore. Because Bangalore is a hospital tourism hub, I am telling you. Lot of people come from Middle East, lot of people come from Gulbarga, Bombay and other places to Bangalore for their medical attention, surgery. Patient ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ದುಡ್ಡು ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಜನ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. It is the students community, those who are in the age group 18 to 25. I am telling you one thing. So 18 to 25 ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, 45 ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಸಾ 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 ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಏನ್ ಸಾ ಸಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶುಗರು, ಸಾಲ್ಟು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಕಲ್ಸು, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಅಂಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಮನುಷ್ಯಂಗೆ. ಸೊ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಬೈ 40 ಒಂದೊಂದ ಕಾಯಿಲೆ ಶುರು ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಡೊನೇಷನ್. So now coming to the vital point of why that mankind, and ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, before taking vaccination, please, before going for vaccination, donate blood. All those who are eligible in the age group 18 and above, even till 60, I'm telling you, all those who are in the age group 18 to 60, if you have got a sound health, before going for vaccination, please donate blood at the nearest authorized blood bank. ಯಾವುದು ಆಥರೈಸ್ಡು? ಮೇ ಮಹಾವೀರ್ ಜೈನ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಯನ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ NAL ಅಥವಾ ರೋಟರಿ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾಮರಾಜಪೇಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೋತ್ಥಾನ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ಮ ರೇಸ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ರೋಡದ ರೆಡ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಈ ತರ ಓನ್ಲಿ ನಾಮಿನೇಟೆಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಡೊನೇಷನ್ ದೆನ್ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನೇಷನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ for about 2 weeks or 3 weeks, you cannot donate blood because a lot of antibodies and so many things will be working. So it is not suggested, it is not advisable. So kindly, when you want to take care of your life, by donating blood, you can take care of the life of 3 people. Kindly keep in mind. So 1 unit of blood in the 3 segregate ಮಾಡಿ 3 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ blood use ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So this is the help from your side for the mankind as well as the society by donating blood before getting vaccinated. So this can apply even for a 18 plus age group as well as 45 age group plus ಗೂ ನಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು, ನಾನು ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಕೈಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂಚೂರು ಗಮನ ಇರಲಿ. I am fortunate enough. I started my career way back in 1974 rupees. For rupees 200 a month, I was cycling to Whitefield, Graphite, India. Now, after this is my 48th year of working. I am fortunate, I am getting pension from my State Bank of India. So kindly keep in mind, not all are blessed, not all are fortunate, not all are lucky to get pension and that thing. There are a lot of people who are working in unorganized sector. For example, metro rail ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು. People, those who work, they are all daily laborers, casual laborers and other things. So whenever this pandemic and other things are affected, they may not be getting even the job, they will not be getting daily wages and other things. So that is why what I have done, I am having enough to my family, etc. So out of my pension, I make it a point to certain old age, ವೃದ್ಧಾಶ್ರಮ ಇಂಥದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ, at least one portion of my pension every month, ನಮ್ಮ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಏಜ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ರೈಸು, ಇಲ್ಲ ವೆಜಿಟಬಲ್ಸು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಫುಡ್, ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಐ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಶೂರ್ ನೀವಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ ಬೇಕಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ನೀವು ಎನಿವೇ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ ಎನಿವೇರ್, Anyway, I am sure your parents will provide your pocket money, whether it is 100, 200, 500, whatever the case may be. I am telling you, every drop is important. Like how many every drop makes a ocean another. Each one of you, if you contribute something, there are so many people without job, without labor and other thing, and they are not able to get their bread and butter, etc. Even one loaf of bread will take care of one family at least a day. So mankind go kuda, instead of wasting money in during in corona period, pool some money wherever it's possible. If you know he the person of a weaker section, either ಯಾರಿಗೂ ನೀವು ಶೆಲ್ಟರ್ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ಲೋದಿಂಗು ಅವರು ಯಾರು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫುಡ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಯು, like how I part whatever is part of my pension as a support to the family and mankind. Start thinking that one. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರು ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಬೇಡ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರ್ದು ನೀವು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಬೇಡ. ನಾನು 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಹಾಕೋದಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು 20 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. Even if you get 1 pound of bread, it takes care of 2-3 people's bread. I am telling you one thing. So that way mankind go help agli, society go help agli. So I mean, overall I have covered you regarding the nature, regarding the blood donation and other thing. Now in the corona period, unfortunately, because of government directives and all, lot of corneally blind people waiting list has been accumulating, but we are not able to collect the eyes. The reason is yaar symptomatic, yaar asymptomatic, ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಸಲ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅನ್ನತ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬೈ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಡೆತ್ ಆದವನು ಐ ಡೊನೇಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆಯವನಿಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ he will also be affected by corona, etc. So whenever you come across any death, even in a hospital, other than corona, I repeat, any death if you come across other than corona death or any highly infected virus death, kindly inform either doctor or the nearest eye bank. Kindly intimate, so they will come to the spot and collect the eyes. At least ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು 2 blind personಗೆ ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ದಾನ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗಾಗತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರು ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ಕೂಡ ಚೈತನ್ಯ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. So now it is exactly 4 o'clock. I mean 1 minute means, sorry, 1 hour means 60 minutes. I told you I'll start and give only for 40 minutes talk anta. I covered on eye care, then something nature I connected with the Hasurimation, each one plant one, each one tree planting. As far as the society and mankind is concerned, before getting vaccination, do the blood donation. And wherever it's possible, ನೀವು 20 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇರಲಿ 50 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇರಲಿ, ನೀವು ಹುಡುಗರು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಪೂಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಈ ಪೂಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದನ್ನು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಗಿವ್ ಟು ಒಂದು ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಏಜ್ ಹೋಮ್, ಚಾರಿಟಬಲ್ ಹೋಮ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ, ಆರ್ಫನೇಜ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ಪಾಪ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ದುಡ್ಡು ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ, ಗಿವ್ ದೆಮ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. This finally to say that one has to give, have nots. This is my final word. I am has to give, have nots. ಇರುವವರು ಇಲ್ಲದವರಿಗೆ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಾದಷ್ಟು ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡುವುದು ಈ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಥೀಮಿನ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. Now I leave it as an open forum. Ade, you can ask connected to whatever all I have covered in the last 40 minutes. Open forum. Otherwise, you put it in the chat box. Pratima madam will read out. I will answer that. Open to all of you.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your valuable knowledge. I have a question from Yogesh here that can we able to take blood from vaccinated people?
Beautiful. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಸುಮಾರು ಒಂದು 6-7 ತಿಂಗಳಿಂದ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಆದವರು 28 days ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಕೊಟ್ರೆ 2nd degree ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅದು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ. ನೌ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಮೋರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡ್ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಕೋವಿಡ್, ಸೊ ಯೂಶಲಿ ಹಿ ಇಸ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಬೇಕು. 28 days ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸೇಫೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾರಂಟೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ವಾರಂಟೈನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಫ್ ಹಿ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್, he can donate the blood, nothing to worry. But the time frame is most important.
Okay, thank you, sir. I got one question into my WhatsApp that ನೀವು ಹಸಿರು ವನ ಅದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಅವರು ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟೇಶನ್ಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ನಾನೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮೈ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಹಸಿರು ಮಿಷನ್ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್, ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. You can share it to all those who attended today. My friend Mr. Jairaj is the CEO. We will start our tree planting activity from second week of June, because in rain start ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, because we make schedules etc. ಸೊ ಈ ವಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಾಗವಾರ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ವಾರ ಬಂದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೆಸರುಘಟ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So we tell the location and thing, what time we are starting and other thing. So people, student, they can come and join the spot, start the work and other thing. We bring all those equipments. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಪಿಕಾಸಿ, ಮಮ್ಟಿ, ಗಿಮ್ಟಿ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಡಿಗ್ಗಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು NSS ಹೇಳ್ತೀರ, ಶ್ರಮದಾನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ, ದ ಶ್ರಮದಾನ್ ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಯುವರ್ NSS ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ನೇಚರ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್.
Okay. So one more last question here. Student has sent here. ಇವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಬೆಳಗಿಂದ ಇರ್ತೇವೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕಣ್ಣನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಟೇಕ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ನಾವು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಎವ್ರಿ 20-25 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಗಿವ್ ಎ ಬ್ರೇಕ್. ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಣ್ಣು ಬ್ಯೂರ್ಲಿ ಮಸಲ್ಸ್ ತರ. ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಬ್ಲಡ್ ದುಡ್ಡು ಚಲಾವಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ತರ ಕಣ್ಣು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಐ ಮಸಲ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಗಿವ್ ಎ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಎವ್ರಿ 20 minutes. Those who find irritation or something brightness and something, ಲೆಸ್ಸರ್ ಬ್ರೈಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಕೆಲವರು ಒಂದು ಬ್ಲೂ ಕಲರ್ ಶೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಗೆ, ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡೆಸ್ಕ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ರೇಡಿಯೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ರೇಡಿಯೇಷನ್ ಯಾವುದು ಮುಂಚೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಬಂದು ಆ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಫಾಲ್ತು, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ these are all negative by so many of the environmentalists and all. Nothing happens. But still ನೀವೇ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬದಲು ಕಲರ್ಡ್ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಸೇಫ್ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. But if anybody gets any reddishness or any itching sensation or conjunctivitis, particularly in the month of April, May, June, don't even wait for one day also. Especially post corona and all, ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಫಂಗಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ some of them are telling because of the what do you call that, mainly oxygen connection idinda mainly ಅದರಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಫಂಗಸ್ ಬಂದವರು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಫಂಗಸ್ ನವರಿಗೆ ಕಣ್ಣು ರೆಡ್ಡಿಶ್ನೆಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡಿಲೇಡ್ ಇಟ್ even by 4 days or 5 days, they have lost their eyesight. Please dash in for a eye checkup at the earliest. This is one caution which I want.
Okay, thank you, sir. Here one question asked by Akshata. Yes, other than only, it's not like only NSS volunteer has to participate in plantation. If you are interested, you can connect to me and to sir also. I've already put MK Krishna sir number. You can contact him also. And you are going to, you just let me know. You will be a part of plantation work, Akshata. Not to worry. And one more question here from Asha sir. I have a question, like if a person gets negative eye power, will it remain constant throughout our life or will it recover, and also how to recover from a negative eye power sight?
Madam, this positive and negative, it is nothing but the focal length adjustment. That's all. ಅವರವತ್ತೆ ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸೋಡಾ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ರೇಗಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೇಸರ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿದೆ. Instead of going for a spectacle or instead of going for all these whatever you call contact lens and the thing, through laser treatment, provided if it is affordable. Na helta ide next, provided if it is affordable. And because nowadays many parents would have taken their health insurance and other thing, adralli health insurance cover agitandre going for a laser treatment is better. And ಕೆಲವೊಂದೆಲ್ಲ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Okay, we have to be put up with our spectacles or any artificial correction ashte. Even 2 years back I underwent cataract operation. Both the eyes I got in my operation. Now I am able to, now I am reading the paper etc without even a specs also. I am telling you, I am able to read, I am able to write, I am doing the normal thing, but with a IOL, that is called as intraocular lens only. I am telling you. So tumba high power bantandre chances of overcoming spectacles is out of question. The only thing, the advanced way is through use your laser treatment etc. You can overcome even that, provided na heladnala cost if they are got some insurance coverage or any other package.
Okay, thank you, sir. Here you already answered this. This question is from Nitya. Sir, is there any time duration between our blood donation and vaccination?
Once again, repeat.
Sir, is there any time duration between our blood donation and vaccination?
No. Blood donation, I am telling you, normally all hale and healthy person only is going to donate. For donating the blood, always keep in mind 18 years of age, 50 kgs is the weight, and hemoglobin should be minimum 12 or 14. These are all the three criteria. And they should not be under any medication in the past, like antibiotic or any surgery and other thing. And normally, whenever they go for any blood donation, one doctor will check your BP and pulse and other thing. If you are fit only, they will donate. That is point number one. After donating the blood, even the next day or even the very second day itself, you can have your vaccination. But after having the vaccination, you have to wait for 15 to 20 days if you want to donate the blood. So it is better to first blood donation, then vaccination.
Thank you, sir. I hope all had a very good time with us. I express my sincere thanks and gratitude to our very friendly, energetic young man, MK Krishna, sir. Thank you very much, sir. An attitude of gratitude is our culture. I now request Mr. Tejendra Gowda, NSS volunteer from second year BSc, to present vote of thanks to this virtual gathering. Over to Mr. Tejendra. Sir, may I have your video, sir?
Yeah.
Tejendra Gowda. Tejendra Gowda, you can unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Gratitude is one of the least articulate of the emotions, especially when it is deep. Good afternoon, everyone over here. It's my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. I, Tejendra Gowda GN, NSS volunteer, on behalf of our college and NSS unit, I extend a very hearty vote of thanks to the honorable dignitaries and delegates who blessed us with this presence of took over the valuable time of our busy schedule. We would like to thank Sir M.K. Krishna for inspiring us with his wonderful talk. We are grateful to you, sir, for gracing this webinar in virtual platform. And the way he explained about the nutrition, nature, and high awareness is exemplary. I also wish to express my gratitude to our principal, Sir Dr. Arun Kumar B. Sonapanava, for providing encouragement and support. We are very indebted to you, sir, for giving us opportunity to organize this event. And we extend our thanks to IQSC coordinator, heads of various department, faculties, and delegates. We must mention our deep sense of appreciation for Dr. Pratibha K.S. Ma'am, Head of Biotechnology Department and NSS Program Officer for organization of this virtual webinar. Last but not the least, as no program can become successful with a single person, so I can extend my big thanks to our NSS volunteers for their support and enthusiasm. Thank you everyone for making this event successful with your contribution. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe.
Thank you, Mr. Tejendra, for your vote of thanks. Thank you, sir, for accepting our invitation and gracing this particular moment. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
And everyone, thanks for your quality of time. You invested your quality of time with us. We are grateful for that. Namaste and have a great time. Stay home and stay safe. Embark your journey. And feedback is given in the chat box. You can give your feedback and kindly type write your email ID to receive your certificate. Thank you, everyone. Stay home, stay safe.